What's up YouTube? How you guys doing? So guys, what I'm trying to do right now is I want to try and start waking up early every single day. So for this whole week, I'm going to try and film myself every day waking up at either 6 in the morning or 7 in the morning. I also want to try and get a workout in every single day of the week. Pretty much a 5-day-a-week weight training program and then like 2 active rest days or something like that. And I also want to let you guys know that like I'm going to try my best, but with this weekly vlog series, I want to try and film from Monday to Thursday and post on to Friday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and then post on the Monday. What's up YouTube fam? Today it's December 5th and yeah, I tried to get some sleep in. I unsuccessfully did not wake up at 6 or 7, but I did pretty good. I got about 6 hours of sleep in and it's about 9 o'clock now. After a long, hard day at work, went home, got some groceries now. Just gonna show you guys what I got. Some bread, some spinach, chicken. Pack the bag, ready to go to the gym. Here I am at Good Life, finally made it. It's 11:11 right now. I'm about to get a workout in. Today is gonna be a strength training day. I was thinking on the ride here, because Daniel and I are trying to bulk, I wanna try and lift all the heavy compound movements at Daniel's place, and then I'm probably gonna do all my hypertrophy training here at the gym, Good Life. Because I can't really film it for you guys, I feel like the majority of my footage should mostly be just heavy lifting. And I don't think it's a bad thing that I can't film at the Good Life here. But knowing me, I may make it a little sneaky about it. I may be able to find a way. We'll see. We'll see. So I found a way to vlog. So I just decided to record on my phone. It's probably just the easiest way to go about doing it without getting really caught. But about to do some bicep curls. Oh, and in case you guys weren't really wondering, I'm doing bicep and triceps today. Pretty much just the arm workout. Good Life. See you later. I was actually able to wake up at 7 o'clock this morning on December 6th, but unfortunately I was very, very tired and I actually ended up going back to bed. So YouTube, I just finished doing my meal prep and heading on my way to work right now. And this is Winnipeg winter for you, buddy. Take a look at this. Jeez. Anyway, yeah, it's this just happened overnight and it's insane. So yeah, I got it's an 8-hour shift I gotta work later today, and after that I'll be heading to the gym. Look at the mountain of snow on my hood. So just leaving work, it's 1 o'clock at night, and I think I'm gonna go to the gym and just smash legs real quickly. Yeah, it's pretty wicked out here right now. Holy smokes. I think that's the closest anybody can ever get to driving in Antarctica. Like, that was insane. North Pole, whatever, it's really bad right now. Today guys, I'm gonna be doing a leg workout. I'm gonna be doing just mostly machines. Another day, another workout. What's up YouTube? Check it out, it's day 3 and look at the time. So yeah, I was able to wake up at 7 o'clock today. I only showed the time at 7:50 because I did kind of get ready, fix my hair, brush my teeth, whatever. Gotta say I'm pretty happy with myself. Hopefully I don't crash later today. Hopefully it's a good day. And yeah, gonna be heading on my way to work and then getting a workout in right after. gonna get me some breakfast. So for breakfast today, guys, I got me a bacon, egg, lettuce, tomato sandwich. And that's the first thing I'm gonna be eating today, so. Finally here at work. And yeah, ready to work an 8-hour shift. So at the end of it, I'll check with you guys in a bit. Please, what are you doing from Muscle Up?
Okay, so you got the bands. The band essentially makes you lighter. And it's not like a full muscle up, like I do one arm at a time. It's a step and stuff. It's a step and stuff. Let's see if I can actually get it.
Oh, dude. Oh, okay.
There, and then you control the way back down.
Oh. One more time?
There.
One more time? One more time?
And I can't do it again.
That's it, eh?
One's all I got.
One is all you got.
Yeah. But what I'm going to do now, I'm going to start doing those every few days.
Okay.
And then hopefully I can then progress to which I got my rings here. And then once I can do them on there.
Oh, the rings are there now.
Yeah, they're tucked up here now.
The rings are there now. Okay.
So we got those. Actually, if we're doing back workout today, we can do pull-ups either on these.
Oh, okay. This is kind of cool.
We can do like L-sit pull-ups too. Oh, those are hard. But yeah, and of course we also have this if we want to do one of those too.
Okay, all right. Well, I'm down. Let's do it. So guys, just got off of work. Gonna go work out with Daniel right now in the garage. And we're about to get it, man. I should have definitely brought something else to wear. It's a little chilly right now, but he's gonna go run in and grab me a sweater, and then we're gonna get some footage for you guys right away, okay? Honestly, I feel like the gym that you got going on right here is coming into full effect. I definitely see like summer gains, like, you know, I can envision it, you know?
Oh, yeah, it's hard, eh?
That's great.
So rings, yay or nay?
Yay. This is good. I like this a lot. This is good.
A new squat record.
Yeah.
335. So.
They're nice, buddy. I like them.
They're nice, yeah.
They're nice.
These are not as cheap though.
No?
These were about 180 bucks. Whatever makes the gains happen.
Whatever makes the gains happen. Exactly, Daniel. Just some good old Canadian boys working out in -6 weather, eh?
This footage is gonna be super shaky because my arms are so tired.
And it's cold. It's extremely cold right now.
That too, yeah. Some birdie action.
Anyway, that's it, man.
I think it was a blizzard outside.
That was it.
What blizzard action we got? Like, I showed him this, I think twice today. This is from today, actually.
That's insane, dude.
And it's still snowing.
That's insane.
Look at this car. This car is gone.
Just this massive blizzard, right? Like, this is what we work out in. This is what we work out in.
Snow Angel, jump in. I'm
Do
not
it.
sure if you'll get out though.
Do it.
You might just disappear.
Do it.
Let's see how soft the snow is. Fuck that, I'm not going.
Gone, man, gone. It's gone.
I ain't going in there.
It's gone, dude.
That's way too cold.
All right, Daniel, say goodbye, everybody.
Peace.
Peace. What's up, YouTube? So it's Thursday, December 8th, and I just want to get you guys updated on the sleeping pattern. So the sleeping pattern hasn't been going as good as I hoped that it'd be. Today I woke up at 7 o'clock in the morning, and then I didn't do anything. I really didn't have any energy. I kind of was like very, very unmotivated and like exhausted still. So I fell back asleep naturally. I don't know why every time I do try to wake up early in the morning, I still feel so exhausted. Though something positive that's been happening throughout the week though is I've been working out every single day. And heading into the weekend, I'm sure that I'll be able to keep that up. Also, another positive thing that I want to take on this week is that I've been able to eat 3 times a day, all very good, healthy meals. It's just a matter of getting my sleeping down and trying to be more productive by, getting that 8 hours of sleep, waking up early so I can get more things in a day as opposed to waking up later in the afternoon and then just doing more things like later at night. I just feel like that's kind of a crazy way of doing things. So this is where I'm going to end the vlog. I just want to thank you guys again for your time and for watching everything that I've been posting up. If you liked everything that you saw, definitely hit the like button down below and don't forget to subscribe. Also, I do have a lot of things planned out for the weekend, so watch out for that vlog on Monday. And again, thanks a lot for the support, and I will see you guys soon.